Hello Gemini, this is your channel messages for the 19th of February. No, I keep saying February. Someone's born the 19th of February. Today is the 19th of March. Let's go Gemini. Let's see what's in your messages for today. We have the 9 of Cups coming out first. So I'm getting an engagement, Gemini. You're getting engaged. You're going to pop the question. I'm getting you're hiding the ring, or at least you're looking at a ring. We have the Queen of Cups. Okay, so I'm getting you're getting engaged to a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman. The Star card is here. I'm not sure if she's a celebrity or you're getting engaged to her in the public face. We have the 3 of Pentacles, and we also have the Ace of Swords. So I'm getting something about this woman that's at your workplace, Gemini. There's a woman that you work with, that you've been seeing, you've been talking to her. I'm getting is a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio on a meetup. I'm getting it's pretty serious. So I'm getting you're about to pop the question to this woman. You're going to ask her for marry you. I'm getting a proposal. Now, if that's not it, I'm getting something about you have a fiance somewhere, but you've been having sex with this woman at work. Yep. What else? Or I'm getting even though you propose to this woman, you're engaged to her. Okay, cool. You're looking at someone else. I'm getting one woman who you're engaged to, who you have at home, or the woman who you're engaged to, she's at your work. I'm getting you fucking with somebody at your workplace, Gemini. We have the 7 of, yeah. Okay, so I'm getting the engagement. Okay, so sorry to tell you this, but if you engage this woman, you're not gonna marry her. The wedding will not happen. Queen of Cups is the 8 of what, yeah. Me getting you engaged to her, she's so excited, she have no friends. Me getting your girlfriend go gym too, so she have a lot of gym friends. You're engaged to her, me getting you fall in love with this woman. Sexually. Me getting the engagement postponed, the wedding postponed. Did you get her pregnant, Gemini? I feel like I got her pregnant and you put a ring on her finger to make her feel better. You ain't marrying her. And if you do marry her, you're gonna cheat on her. Just telling you this from now. We have the 8 of, we have 7 of Wands, 8 of Wands. Me getting y'all call off the engagement, and then she'll call your whole family, or she going to call her whole family and tell her whole family how you embarrass her. We have the Ace of Wands, yeah, because you sexually attracted to this woman. Because Gemini, I believe because of your cerebral thinking, when you met this woman, you felt like she was the ideal woman to fall in love with. Maybe you're realizing love is not about a woman covering up. Love is not about a woman who's submissive. Love is about a woman who you want to be around, who when you're not with her, you worry about her. And when every time you have sex, Gemini, I feel like you have sex with this woman, and yeah, imagine this girl. I see I have sex with this woman, Gemini. I don't know if you cover her face or you have her from behind. Because I'm getting you have sex with her, but you're thinking about her. Yeah, you're sexually attracted to her. So the engagement is off. Or I'm getting the engagement is off because the Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman find out say I have sex with this woman. Somebody track you. She find out say you're in love with this celebrity. Somebody might say, oh, you're cheating on her with a prostitute. That's even, I mean, damn. You cheat on her with a prostitute? That's fucked up. That's fucked up, Gemini. Anyways, Star card, the Ace of Wands. What's the 3 of Pentacles? That's the King of Pentacles. Woo! And we also have the Queen of, yeah. And then we have a Star card again. Twice. Star card 2 times. So I see that you have an ex-girlfriend who you're talking to and you're making her think that you still have feelings for her. Also, there's a woman here you're engaged to, but you're not going to go through. Gemini, I feel like the girl who take the dancer, the girl who take off her clothes, the stripper, the ratchet one, the one who maybe is not a sex worker, she's not a prostitute, but she dressed very provocatively, and that you want. You can always put clothes on her. You can't tell she to take her hers off. That's the difference. Her clothes on, it gonna stay on. If her clothes always off, all you need to do is tell her to put on clothes. It's going to be very hard to convince her to take her clothes off. But me getting you engaged to her. Yeah, that ain't happen. That a wedding is not going to happen. And if a wedding did happen in the past, you're fucking on her. Me getting you entertaining a Leo woman on the phone, you text her, and me getting you having active sex with this celebrity. So I'm getting there's a lot of, I don't know. I feel unattracted. I don't know, Gemini. You're caught up with too much woman, and it's just slutty-ish. Either way, the so-called one that needs to put some clothes on, that's the one who you like. Even though you engaged. We have the 9 of Cups, an engagement again. Are you buying another ring? How much ring you have? And I hope you're not giving somebody the ring that you... I hope you're not a man who gets engaged to a woman and she give you back a ring and you use the same ring for propose. You better carry that fuck back to the fucking jewelry shop and get a new fucking ring. I don't know who would propose to the same woman with two. Which motherfucking dummy would propose to two women with the same fucking ring? Sagittarius, are you fucking with a Sagittarius? We have Venus, yes you are. I'm getting you talking to a Sagittarius woman. Leo, she could be a Leo also. We have Aquarius, that is the one who you're in love, that's the celebrity. The one who you're in love with. Or the one who you love having sex with. We have Mercury. We have Illuminati. So that wedding is off. You ain't marrying that girl. Me getting you talking to a Sagittarius or a Leo online. Not sure how far that's going to go. But basically the only one that makes your dick aroused is the Star card. So you can marry what looks good to your parents and family and friends, or you can marry what makes your dick stimulated. It's your life. I'm just in it. I'm just in your life until I am not. Let's go to Cancer.